Hello, my dear little stars. Hope you all are doing very well, obeying your parents, your elder ones, respecting them, and not annoying, helping others. Right? Huh? So, here we will study subject EVS, and the topic is people who help us. So, here I would like to just clear you that if we do the work very perfectly, if you want that work should be done very perfectly, there should be that perfectioners also, right? So there are some people, with the help of them we can just make our life very easy. Got it? Now here you can see in the chapter page number 22 that who help us when you want to study in that school. Who teaches you there? Your teacher. So when helper is what? Who? Our teacher. Now when you get fall sick and not feeling well, then who treats you? We go to that hospitals and clinics to the doctors. Doctors treats us. When our clothes are torn and we want to just get it sew that clothes, so who stitches our clothes? Tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes, and he is also a helper of the people. Now our post, our letters, our gift items, and that monies or money orders from the other countries, from other cities, who brings to us? Postman. All right. And what does a policeman do? He just these days playing very always play policeman. They are playing very great role. Then he catches the thieves and robbers. Means that those who are just people just annoying us, not that behaving with us good and snatching our things and taking away people. So they people, policeman keep us safe. Okay, the police help us to save from these bad people. Okay, so policeman catches the thieves, and they catch the thieves and what? And the robbers also, those who are doing the robbering. Okay? Here, page number 23, see that. One picture, that picture one you see here next. This man is cutting the hair of the other. So, that haircut, that the person who cuts the hair, that one is called barber. We just go to the men's saloon, there you can see this barber cuts the hair only. Here we get the things made from wood. Who prepare the things made from wood? Carpenter. A table, wooden table, study table, right? That table for a computer system, table for a dining table, that chair, wooden chair also, wooden stools. Who makes for us? Who prepares? Carpenter. The people who prepare that wooden things for us, they are called carpenter. Like wooden furniture especially. Carpenters, they make furniture for us. Furniture what? Like our bed, like our sofas, like our table, like chair. Okay. Now, this one is who? This one is in sitting shop and selling something. So he is called the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper sells the thing, then we go and purchase that. We give the coins to that person, money to that, and in return they give whatever things we want, like if you want chocolate, if you want ice cream, if you want that your mama wants sugar, and that mama want the pulses, the many grains, like so we give money to the shopkeeper, and then they give us things. So that one is shopkeeper. So there are some people that the shopkeeper also Here this is who? Watchman. He guards our houses. You saw that watchman school gate, and at the school gate also you see that watchman. They guard what? They keeps us safe, and they just keep all that. They just keep watching that no bad things and no bad people should come to harm us. That's why they are called the guard, the watchmen. Okay. So these different people we need in our daily life to make our life easy. Everybody cannot be doctor. Everybody is doctor. No. Everyone cannot be teacher. Everyone cannot be tailor. Everyone cannot be the postman. Everyone cannot be that policeman. No, that all can be the barber. No one can all be that carpenter. So everybody cannot be that shopkeeper, everybody cannot be that watchman. We all just having just that different kind of people in this world, in this society. They help us, and this way our life becomes very easy. Just like your father also, your mother also they can be some of that teacher, some of the doctor, some of that watchman, some of the shopkeeper, some of that postman, like that, some of the policeman, right? So this way we different people, we play different role and help the society and help the neighborhood. Here read it. People in our neighborhood do different jobs. They help us in our daily life. So first helper is who is here, that who teaches us? Name the people who help us. Number one people, teacher. Teacher, teacher. Number two, when we get sick, not feeling well, we go to that hospital where there, who treats us? Doctor. Number three, when our clothes are not proper torn and we want the new that clothes to be stitched, we go to the tailor. Tailor. We get to the tailor. Then after that, when our things are somebody stolen or somebody annoying us, we go to that police station and meet the policeman. So spelling of policeman, P-O-L-I-C, police, M-A-N, man. They help us and they save us from the enemy. They save us from the bad people. Okay, those who are not good. We can make a complaint and policeman can help us. And they help us. Okay. Number 5 is what? The picture of postman. Postman what does for us? Postman send our letters and that parcels from one place to the other place. So postman also plays a very big role. Number 6 is who? Barber. Spelling of barber, B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber cuts our hair. Number 7 is who? Carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture for us. Okay? Carpenter makes furniture for us. Then after 8 point. 8 point is what? That one is who? That one, shopkeeper. We get the things from shop. 8 point, shopkeeper. And that 9 point is what? That watchman. Spelling of watchman, W-A-T-C-H-M-A-N, man. Watchman guards our society and that are houses. Okay. Here, how many names? You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people's that common name I have given. There are many more, just like sweeper, like and that our chef, many more people, they help us. Okay. So these common people I have just written that name. They are very required for us. And that cobbler also mends our shoes. So here you have to learn these 9 spellings. Name of the people like spellings: TACHER teacher, DOCTOR doctor, TAILOR tailor, POLICE police, man policeman, POSTMAN postman, BARBER barber, CARPENTER carpenter, SHOP shop, KEEPER keeper, shopkeeper, WATCH watch, man watchman. So these people help us. It's their name written with that red letter. So with that red letters, that one, the red word. These red letters make the word. So these red words are called that names of the people who help us, like teacher, doctor, tailor, postman, policeman, barber, carpenter, shopkeeper, watchman. Just read out. She is a teacher. Teacher teaches us in the school. And nowadays we are teaching via online teaching. He is a doctor. The doctor treats us. He is a tailor. He sews our clothes. Next is, he is a postman. He delivers our letters. Now he is a policeman. He catches thieves and robbers. Now he is a barber. He cuts our hair. He is a carpenter. He makes furniture for us. He is a shopkeeper. He keeps all necessary things of our requirement. He is a watchman. He guards our houses. Alright? Now do the exercises here. Who saves our clothes? Who stitches our clothes? Doctor? No. Tailor? Yes. Nurses? No. Who makes furniture for us? Carpenter, watchman or teacher? Who makes furniture? Carpenter. Watchman? No. Teacher? No. Now page number just 24 open. Who cuts our hair? Barber. Teacher? No. Tailor? No. Who guards our houses? Shopkeeper? No. Postman? No. Watchman. Click there. Now match the following picture with their name. You can see this one is what? Doing that teaching. Teacher. And this one is that what? Who? Carpenter. This one is who? This one is who? Barber. Cutting hair. This one is who? Shopkeeper. This way you have to match the picture. Now, you have to match in your book with a pencil. Okay? Now, tick against the correct sentence. Just tick mark. Tick mark. Exercise C, you see. Point 1. Doctor repairs our shoes. When our shoes get torn, who repairs? Doctor? No. Number 2. Barber cuts our hair. Who cuts our hair? Barber. Yes. Number 3. Teacher teaches us. Yes or no? Yes. Ma'am is teaching? Yes. Number 4. Tailor catches thieves and robbers. No. Gosh. So this way your chapter of this 8, that chapter 8 of this topic, people who help us, is done. You have to just put in your memory, if that somebody teaching, this is teacher. If somebody is teaching a doctor, that one is the doctor. Here tailor what does do? What does the tailor do? Tailor stitches clothes. Postman brings letters and parcels. Policeman saves us our lives, and from that bad people from the from the thieves and robbers. Barber get hairs cut. Barber what does do? Cuts our hair. Cuts our hair. Barbers cuts our hair. Carpenter furniture makes. Shopkeeper just that we can purchase, selling the things we can purchase from there. Watchman that guards our house in society. This way your chapter people who help us is done. You have to learn the spellings very nicely. Teacher is what? Teacher. Spelling of teacher. Teacher. Spelling of doctor. Doctor. Spelling of tailor. 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 Alright. Spelling of postman. 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 Spelling of policeman. 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 Okay. Now spelling of barber. Barber. Spelling of carpenter. 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 Spelling of shopkeeper. Shop. Shop. Keeper. Spelling of watchman. Watch. Watch. Man. Alright. This way that names of the people, those who help us is there. The topic, people who help us there. Main people, those who are working for us, making our day-to-day life very easy. We have to just must remember and we must respect them. Whether it's a tailor, whether it's a postman, whether it's a sweeper, whether it's a policeman, they help us. So we must respect them. Okay? So thank you class. Study well.